This is all the things you can paint. This is a cushion made with fabric that I dipped into diluted paint. Shibori it's called. This is a little bit of sheeting that I've turned into textures and stenciling. This is a fabulous old net curtain that I dyed with my paint. This is plastic terracotta painted. Perhaps this is no longer your style. So painted. Glass, painted. Put something inside, a light or whatever. Beautiful. Rubber wood, I think, ubiquitous. Painted. Plastic frames, loads of them out there. Paint them. Lampshades, so many that just don't suit. Paint them. This fabulous tin jug, paint it. And lastly, this piece, which is really beautiful, I love it, but it is very dark, paint it. And on top, there's a little marble top there, paint it. All of this, no priming, no sanding, just paint directly onto the surface, and then you seal it with wax, preferably, if I had my way, or if you really want, you can use lako. So lots of inspiration here. Get painting.